Why does your scanner show the P2068 engine code? What does it mean? P2068 is a diagnostic trouble code for fuel level sensor B high. It indicates there is a fault with the fuel level sensor B circuit. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This code is caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty fuel level sensor. Damaged wiring. Poor ground connection. Corrosion in fuel tank. Faulty instrument cluster. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Dodge, Hyundai, Honda, Kia, General Motor, Nissan, Ford, Chrysler, Toyota, and Jeep. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.